This is Rotaract Dharnikumar, classes director, Rotaract Club of Sri Krishna College of Technology. In this video, we are going to solve a problem, valid parenthesis from LeetCode. It is a simple and powerful example that teaches you how to use a stack effectively. Now, let's jump into the code. First, we create a stack of characters. This will help us track the open brackets stack char st. Then now we loop through the entire string for loop open parenthesis char c colon s. Then if it's opening bracket, we simply push in it onto the stack. If c double equal to open parenthesis or c double equal to open curly or double equal to open square bracket, let's push. If it's closing bracket, we'll check if the stack is empty. If it is, it means there is no matching open bracket, so we return false. So in else, if it is empty, we return false. Then we compare the top of stack with the current closing bracket. If they don't match, it's invalid. So that pair top is equal to st dot top of and st dot pop off. Then we are going to use the if condition for the closing brackets of parenthesis curly square and opening brackets of parenthesis curly square bracket. After the loop finishes, if the stack is empty, we return true. If there are any unmatched open brackets left, it means the input was invalid. Return stempty out. Okay, thank you. And that's it. We have successfully solved the valid parenthesis problem. Now we are going to run this. Let's see the test cases. Okay, everything passed. This pattern is super useful. You will see it in many other problems involving nested structure. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Thank you.